Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening YouTube where the floating window shows. You need Settings next. On mobile, tap your profile icon. On desktop, click your avatar or the three dots. Once done, make sure to identify whether Picture-in-Picture or Miniplayer is active so you change the correct control. You should also check app permissions if on Android or Mac, because system-level Picture-in-Picture can override app settings. Now move to the player controls and the app or browser settings to turn it off. Next, you disable the feature. In the YouTube app, go Settings, then General, and toggle off Miniplayer or Picture-in-Picture. This stops automatic floating playback. If you use a browser, remove PyP extensions and check site permissions in the padlock menu to revoke autoplay or Picture-in-Picture. On Android or iOS, open System App Settings and turn off Picture-in-Picture for YouTube specifically. Make sure to restart the app or refresh the page so the change takes effect across the session. Finally, you complete the process by restarting the app or refreshing the page to ensure the floating window is gone. If it still appears, clear the app cache, update YouTube, and reboot your device because stale settings can persist. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any PyP or video-related browser extensions and confirm OS-level Picture-in-Picture is off for YouTube. Often an extension or system permission is the culprit. After that, test by playing a new video to verify the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.